Hello, as you know, this video is about entryway decoration. So we will try to add few informational material along with visual ideas. A sure way to transform your entryway wall decor is to group small decorative objects to create a large visual moment. Start with a large hanging mirror on the wall and create more depth and dimension by layering in a small vase, picture frame and coffee table books in front. Looking for wall decor ideas to refresh your face? Those empty walls are filled with possibilities, and a few additions can make a house feel like a home. If you are ready to turn those dark, bare walls into stylish centerpieces, keep watching this video. No matter your style, we have got the tricks that can amp up your walls and bring out your personality and taste. Whether you are an art collector, a nature enthusiast or a book lover, your walls can be customized so that you can be surrounded by the things you adore. An oversized painting or photograph will command attention and set the tone in a small space. Try a black and white photo in a minimalist space or add color with a vibrant abstract piece. Another idea which is about the in addition to displaying objects on the walls, think about decorating the wall themselves. Try out a bright and bold paint color to create an accent wall or bring in pattern with wallpaper, stenciling or other decorative paint techniques. Think about transforming your ceiling while you are at it. These decorative accents can have an even bigger impact in a small space. Nothing add personally and color quite like a gallery wall. Display a collection of art or photographs or add wall hanging and other ephemera. Opt for simple cohesive frame or bring in an array of ornate vibration to mix things up. Extend the gallery wall to the ceiling to create the illusion of a large space. Mirrors reflect light, helping a small space to feel bigger and brighter. Try hanging an oversized mirror or display several smaller pieces salon style. Let your walls transport you to another place by adding a mural, whether you hand paint it or choose a wall covering. The motif will make a big impact. If you are run out of floor space for bookshelves, take your collection to the wall. Install floating shelves and display hand covers, small sculpture and other odds and ends. Why hide your fine china in the cabinet when you can show it off? Use wire plate hangers to display your favorite dishes and serving platters. If you are a collector of any design object, this might be the move for you. We have even seen broadboards as pieces of art on the wall of a Brooklyn brownstone. Conces add an extra source of light without taking up space on the floor or a side table. Choose an eye-catching design that doubles as a wall sculpture to bring in light and style. Plants don't just have to sit on the windowsill. Try hanging or wall-mounted planters to add a bit of greenery to your space and nature to your walls. If you are not big on water, you can opt for a high-quality box plant and no one will probably ever be the wiser. A large calendar works especially well on an office or kitchen wall. Keep track of your events while also adding a standout element to enliven your room. Try bright and bold calendars with sans serif fonts to create a modern look and add a pop of color. So we do hope you have finalized the idea from this video for your entryway wall, and please encourage us through your comments, and also please please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. We do hope you have enjoyed the video, so please share it with your friends. Have a nice day.